In this session, let us learn about Python MongoDB drop collection, delete collection. You can delete a table or collection as it called in MongoDB by using the drop method. Delete the customer's collection. See here, the customers might call drop with empty brackets. See here, the drop method returns true if the collection was dropped successfully and false if the collection does not exist. See, the entire way drop. Okay friends, this is the end of part 9 Python MongoDB drop collection. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB update. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.